first year exhibiting at Chicago Build. We have been slammed. We're running out of business cards already.
This is a great way to collaborate. 5 different stages, there's workshops. It is a one-stop shop in a great city. It's connecting with clients, peers, colleagues, everybody who's in the same mindset. I love the Chicago Build Conference.
Here at the Chicago Build Expo 2023, it's a great spot to show off our newest products and get out there and make great connections.
Chicago Build has been wonderful. The reception of people here, the number of people, the activity has been outstanding. My favorite thing is seeing the excitement of people sharing the opportunity for business.
For Chicago Build 2023, we're having a blast, meeting all kinds of fun people and, looking to make some good connections. I think this is my new favorite conference for sure. I love it.
This is my first time being at Chicago Build, and I'm impressed with it. I'd say within our first couple hours, we saw enough traffic to make sense out of this event.
The customers we're looking for are general contractors and site contractors, and that's mainly what we've been seeing come through our booth.
Generated a lot of leads, met a lot of people that we haven't worked with before.
You know what? This is one of the best networking opportunities you could get. Everything's here for you.
I think this is a great opportunity, the format that we have here at the Design Build Expo. You're able to meet a lot of different vendors that are here, but the speaking opportunities with the panelists.
I think that the organization that puts on the show has done a terrific job putting on the educational programs.
It's been a great event for us.
Can't wait till next year, 2024.
Let's go.
Let's go.